Greetings from Olympic National Park. I'm in the campground of the Hoh Rainforest, a temperate rainforest where about 12 to 14 feet of rain falls every year. The trails lead from here into a mossy jungle of green like nothing you have ever seen. The campground is right along the Hoh River. It's beautiful. There's plenty of room for big rigs too. Not real big. Keep your eyes open at night. Might see a bear, might see a raccoon, or maybe you'll get lucky like me and see a beautiful Olympic elk. The Hall of Mosses trail leads right from the visitor center. It's a total green out. Trees, plants, ferns, moss, lichen. It's incredible. You won't see anything like this outside of a rainforest.